If you're just getting started in the business, our Contractor Pro package is the perfect solution. It's loaded with premium commercial-grade supplies designed to help you install several roof lines with ease. Plus, it includes everything you need for those extra touches, like lighting up bushes, walkways, and trees. With this package, you'll be fully equipped to tackle a variety of projects right from the start. Let's dive into this Contractor Pro package and see how each component will help you create fantastic lighting displays for your clients. With the socket wire, you'll have flexibility to cut the exact lengths needed for roof lines, trees, or other large projects. This customizable wire makes setup quick and seamless, allowing you to attach the included plugs for a personalized fit on every job. You have the option of 12-inch or 15-inch spacing. This package also comes with two bulb options: Commercial Elite SMD C9 bulbs or Minleon brand bulbs. Both types come in a variety of colors and pattern options. With a 5-year warranty, the Commercial Elite bulbs offer reliable performance and energy efficiency that you and your clients can count on. You can also opt in for the Minleon brand bulbs. Secure your lights with our durable Best clips. These clips attach effortlessly to gutters, shingles, and drip edges, keeping your installations professional and secure for long-lasting results. The included spool of green lamp cord gives you the freedom to create custom extension cords and jumps, helping you seamlessly connect different sections of your display. The male and female plugs allow for easy customization, giving you the versatility to create the perfect light strands for each project. Simply line up the ridges on the cord with the text on the plug for a secure and reliable connection. The Contractor Pack includes several mini light balls, perfect for accenting bushes, trees, and other landscape features. These mini lights bring warmth and charm to any display. We've also included photocell timers for automatic control. These timers activate your lights at dusk and turn them off at dawn, making operation effortless for your clients. Complete your setup with enclosed light stakes. These stakes hold lights in place along walkways and driveways, adding that final touch to any display. The Contractor Pro package is a complete, professional-grade solution for new installers looking to make a substantial impact from day one. Packed with customizable, durable materials, this kit allows you to deliver impressive installations. Invest in the Contractor Pro package and start your holiday business off right.